ఎప్పుడైనా గౌతమ్ మిమ్మల్ని ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేస్తే రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేశాడా? ఇది చేయొద్దు అని.
If it's unsafe, then yeah, chapperu.
అంటే బ్రదర్ ఎక్కువ రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా. గౌతమ్ కూడా అలానే ఉంటారా?
He is more of a kid than I am. I'm surprised he's older than me.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఉన్న మీకు బెస్ట్ స్వీట్ మెమొరీ ఏంటి?
Sweet memory is when we went to Italy recently, because it was just the four of us, me, my brother and my dad, and we had the best time.
So Sitara, do your brother rules you like no idi cheyali, like no idi cheyakoodu?
No.
No.
He annoys me.
Do you ever felt నేను అన్నయ్య కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటే బాగుండు?
I think it's already happening, because he's still, I'm surprised, like I said, I'm surprised he's older than me, because
Okay.
he's such
Yeah,
a kid.
thank you.
Hi Sitara.
Hi.
So apart from your mom and dad, who is your favorite actor?
I love Rashmika Mandana and Srilila.
What about actor?
Only my dad.
Oh, I love that answer.
Do you like putting on makeup? And if so, which brand would you prefer?
So I'm not allowed that much makeup. Like, even if I do wear makeup, the most I wear is lip gloss and blush. But me and my mom, I wear all my mom's makeup. So my mom mostly gets her makeup from Dior. I think, I really don't know. Whatever my mom uses, I use.
రీసెంట్గా ఒక వీడియో బాగా వైరల్ అయింది. ఒక ఈవెంట్కి వెళ్తున్నారు మీరు మీ డాడీతో. మీ అత్తగారు అనుకుంటా హెయిర్ ఇలా పట్టుకుంటారు, మీ డాడీ చాలా అంటే సిగ్గుపడతారు. ఏం జరిగింది అక్కడ? కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఏమైంది చెప్పగలరా?
Juttu patkunaru, and then he said, "Don't touch my hair." So yeah, he's very he doesn't like people touching his hair. That's why I constantly try to touch his hair, because he has nice hair.
Usually నేను ఇందాక మీ స్టైల్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ గురించి అడిగా కదా. I see a Korean touch in your dressing. So do you follow any Korean dramas, or are you a fan for it?
No, I'm not. I really want to, but I'm not. Sadly, I'm not. But I watch a lot of 2000s rom-coms and all.
Okay, then what about anime?
I don't watch anime.
No, not at all.
I don't watch anime.
ఏదైనా రీల్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు ఏదైనా తెలుగు సూపర్ హిట్ సాంగ్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటారా, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా మరాఠీ సాంగ్ అని ఏదైనా బాలీవుడ్ హాలీవుడ్ సాంగ్ చూస్ చేస్తారా?
Marathi is my mother tongue and Telugu is my home language.
Few words in Marathi.
Tu kashi hai?
मैं छानू.
Nice Marathi.
Thank you.
How are you looking at this collaboration, Mahesh Babu Foundation and Telugu DMF Federation? You know, last time they have helped memers and many others, and we have seen Mahesh Babu Foundation has been helping, you know, heart patients, literally kids actually. So individually we have seen these charity things, but now you both came for a collaboration together. How are you looking at it? How do you feel about it?
So just like the MB Foundation supports children, the Telugu DMF supports influencers, and I think this is a great way for both to come together.